I'm Dan Gerlanc, and I'll be your instructor for Programming with Data, Python, and Pandas. The purpose of this course is to introduce you, someone who has programmed with Python, to Pandas, a library for tabular data analysis in the Python programming language. We will be offering this course both as an in-person seminar and also as a virtual online seminar. You may also find this course to be useful if you have used other tabular data analysis environments like R, Stata, or MATLAB. This course starts from the ground up to teach you the entire API of Pandas. We'll begin by learning the fundamental data structures of Pandas, the series and the data frame, for univariate and multivariate data, respectively. From there, we'll learn how to use the split, apply, combine framework, which will allow us to perform grouped computations on both categorical and continuous data. From there, we'll learn how to work with some of the more advanced features of Pandas. This will include working with time series data for both series and data frames, learning how to merge data frames together, and how to perform advanced merges and reshapes, some that would be difficult to perform without using a relational database. Lastly, if time permits, we will cover some advanced topics in Pandas, like extension types, creating custom calendars, and also working with hierarchical indexes. If time permits, we may look into some additional advanced topics at the choosing of the class. These may include extension types, creating custom calendars, and anything else that is of interest to the class. I hope you'll join me for Programming with Data, Python, and Pandas, where we learn not just how to use this powerful framework in Python, but also learn some of the underlying principles behind tabular data analysis frameworks, and also how these can be used in your everyday work.